Hello and welcome. As a seller on eBay, often we have the same product, just different variety or variations. For example, we may have a t-shirt that is available in red, blue and green color. For that we need variation option in eBay. But how do you get one in eBay? Hello everyone, welcome to a how-to guide. In today's video, we're gonna see how we can bring variation option in eBay store or eBay. Once you're signed in to your eBay account, if you go to sell at the top section and click on it, you can start creating your listing by clicking on this create listing. So either single listing or multiple listing or listing from bulk at inventory. Let's go with single listing for now. Tell us what you're searching or selling. Bracelet search. Now I'm gonna go with this one, new with tags. Continue your listing. So you can upload photos and videos in here and give it a title and item category. Here below item category, we do not have a variation option. If you're facing the same problem, it is because we are not subscribed to eBay store. Only eBay store subscribers will have the variation options, which looks like this. Below the category, you can see variations and there is a button with create variations. And if you click on it, you will be prompted to enter the variations and corresponding photos of the variation. Alright, if you do not have a eBay store yet, you can go to this link and below, if you scroll down, you can see different eBay store options out there. Go through them and choose one that fits your budget and needs. So select starter store or select basic store. Once you've done it, variation option will be available to you when listing. Another scenario when you won't see variation option despite being subscribed to eBay store is the product itself does not support variation option. That can be the case too. Now you know how to bring variation option on eBay. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up. Still have any questions, do leave them in the comment section and we'll get back to you right away. Until next time.